Dreaming of turning your wanderlust into a career? What if I told you that you can get paid to plan vacations, explore the world, and enjoy the freedom to work from anywhere? Hi, I'm Elizabeth, the founder of Seabreeze Travel Adventures and Team Seabreeze. I'm here to help passionate people like you become successful travel specialists. We don't just plan vacations, we create unforgettable experiences while building a flexible career that fits your lifestyle. Why join Team Seabreeze? You'll enjoy high commissions, flexible hours, and exclusive travel perks. No sales quotas, no recruiting requirements. All you need is a pure passion for travel and the opportunity to make it your own business. Is this you so far? Then let's dive in. Picture yourself working from your favorite vacation spot or your cozy home office with the flexibility to create your own schedule. Our team supports you with mentorship, training, and a community that shares your vision. Our team members have planned vacations for clients around the world while earning a great income and traveling themselves. Imagine being part of a supportive community that helps you grow and succeed. Don't just take my word for it. Take a look at what other agents are saying about joining our team and becoming successful. Are you ready to get started? Schedule a time to join a presentation with us and discover all the details about this amazing opportunity. Don't wait. Your dream career is just a click away. Let's go.